What?
And I can't wait to see you too. What up, boy?
Oh, yo, we here. Keep it 99. I heard you up here lying, but we don't care about that.
you done caught me in the act.
Oh man. Well, Zam Alphas, your boy Alphas LMA coming back at you with another one, a new one. Keep it 99, and that's your boy
Unico Williams.
Unico, keep it 99. How you sliding in them DMs?
Well, I'm about to get slid out on one of them if I get caught on this video. But other than that, hey, let me tell you how I slide in the DM. First of all, I want to apologize because there's two types of me sliding in the DM. Now, it's the one where I'm just a nice Joe, the one that you see every single day. Oh, he's so funny. He's such a nice guy. And I slide in like that, like, hey, how you doing? I wonder if I can have your number or something. Then you got Henny Guy Joe. Henny Guy Joe is a whole different thing where I'm coming at you straight and direct. Now, I ain't aggressive and direct like that, but I'm aggressive. I'm like, man, girl, you is everything. I mean that. Man, wait, when we gonna kick? And so it's two. I ain't got no middle of the road to it at all. So I'm working on that though. If I can get that middle of the road, I'll be all right. How you sliding in? Why you over asking me? How you sliding?
Yo, man, this week I just put 3 snowflakes in the DM. Shout out to Quavo. Shout out to Sweetie. You know what I'm saying?
I seen that, boy. Yeah. I think you slid at least 15 or 16 snowflakes this week since that happened. What was that since Saturday? When was that since Monday?
Yo, man. I have been left on red, so do not take any opinions I have ever said in this video seriously. Nah, I'm playing. Yo, I did have a successful one though, but we're gonna get into it. We're gonna break it down.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna give them the proper etiquette of the slide. Okay. You know how the song you to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left? You know what I'm saying? You gotta have the proper steps. You gotta go to etiquette, because if you don't do the dance right, it throws everything off.
You right.
You know what I'm saying? It throws everything off.
First, let you step wrong because you're trying to catch that attention, right?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know. Let you go. Go ahead.
First, my thing is, my style is to come off corny but not lame. Like, I get it. It's funny. Make you laugh, giggle. You know what I mean? This week I even hit. Yeah, I hit this line on. I hit the line. This is the confidence. You gotta come in confident, because you ain't got confidence. You ain't gonna ever slide. There's no point. You miss 100% shots, you don't shoot. That's what I learned from Unico. You know what I'm saying? He told me that.
Live by them words. I ain't never. Hey, I'm gonna tell you like this. Shout out to my boy Brock Williams. I ain't seen a shot I didn't like.
My man said he, J.R. Smith, Nick Young, Kobe, Jordan mixed in one.
Okay.
By the way, watch this last night or this morning. Unico, do you hear me? We'll be up. He gonna tell you the best Lakers. Which teams you did, Unico?
I did the 2000 Lakers, 2010, and 2020.
Yes, he gonna give that.
And I'll let y'all know. I gotta watch the show to figure out which one I went with.
Yeah,
but that's a tough one.
Yeah, so he gonna explain that. I think it'll be before this comes out. So it's gonna be the next video. It'll be in the section. So. It'll be in the little links at the end of the video. You know where it's at.
Let me do this up real quick.
And me and Wes is gonna actually up you on What's United Sports in 2 weeks. We're gonna do all 17 Laker championships, and we're gonna put them in order 17-1.
Hold on, y'all doing it like that?
Yeah, we're gonna do it like that.
Will y'all call me in the middle of the show? After y'all get done, will y'all call me? Can I get in?
Okay, bet. I hit you.
We ain't doing it live, but if you doing it live, what you doing?
Nah, we ain't gonna do that one live, man. It's too much thinking. It might be too many uhs and ums. You know what I mean? So you gonna have to edit them out.
I might have to just come air y'all out on a random video or something. I don't know. I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna see what and that West, and I know you, both of y'all fools. So I can't wait to see that one for sure.
But yeah, back to the video. Confidence is the first step. Yeah. Second step is the game plan. Let me take y'all on the journey of my game plan right now. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully the game plan worked and convinced you to do it. But the game plan was, again, like I said, corny but not lame. You don't want to be lame. Corny is funny. Girls can laugh at corny. Lame, ill. That's what they say, ill. You know, you ever seen a dude get that ill?
I've been that.
Yeah, you don't want that ill. You don't want the ill. No, you don't want that. So you got to come up with a game plan. Here you go. This is the game plan, and then we're gonna go to step 3 and the final step. The game plan was, I went in DM. I don't mean to be a creep. I know we just followed each other, but you are gorgeous. Now let me take my leave out your DMs. That's the game plan. Any critiques to my game plan, Unico?
You know, I feel like you should never ever drop in the word creep in there ever, just because you don't want to just start the thought process of, is this creepy or is it not? I feel like I probably wouldn't throw in words that I don't want you to think about. But okay, you was in there. That's the confidence. You came in.
Yeah, I had a game plan. You know what I mean? What's your game plan, Unico? What's your game plan when you slide in?
Well, I'm sober, high, I'm on the ass guy, and I'm kind of funny too. I hope we get to meet. Any guy, girl, you know you look some good. Now, when we gonna link? Just let me know something. Where can we hang out at? I prefer skinny guys, but if I could find that in between where I could say, I just gotta be real with you. I just think that you look really good, and I'd like to get to know you. And wait, did I find the middle point? I just found it within this video. Maybe if I come like that, because I feel like I deserve to take you out.
Man, you know it. That man found confident. Anything is possible. You know he found that confident. Okay, now let Coach Zell get you. Let go. We didn't came in with the confidence. We going into the game. I'm like Nick Saban without the COVID. You know what I'm saying? Going into Georgia, we will win without that. You know what I mean? We will win without. Man, if I didn't have COVID, Georgia, we done beat them 15 times. Now we ain't sure. I'm Coach Zell right now. I done gave you confidence. Now you can go. Y'all in the chat. Y'all got the confidence, right? It's built up. Y'all done got the game plan. How your style is. You know your style. You know what fits you. You can't do what everybody else do. You gotta do what fits you. If my style happen to fit you, you use my style. If your Nico style fit him, if you use his style. Now we gotta do the last term of the sport. You gotta execute.
Now I think I done determined that you the drop back passes and I'm the scrambler. So I'm Mike Vick with it, and you drop back like old Brady and Peyton Manning. I think you got more of a plan of attack. I'm more of a like, if it work, it work.
So in the same DMs, we going back to my story. She hit that. Yeah. She hit that. Thank you with the heart and the flower. Okay. The game plan worked. Now we gotta execute. Can we fulfill the movement? I said, oh my bad. I overslept. I'm still here. But I hope everything is well. I mean, I'm still in the DM. What's up? Of course, I get the.
What day is this? What day is this? Is this Sunday? Cause you preaching.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Also, you get the laugh once you get the FAO. Now you can the conversation can really start. They interested.
That's a couple of letters.
Yeah, now you okay, you fine, you funny. Some of y'all, like I think I'm cute. I need a shave, but I'm cute. You know what I'm saying? Unico, you're a swell looking guy. But even for you ugly dude, females love ugly dude. I know a bad female right now looking for a medium ugly dude right now. I need that medium ugly. You know what I mean? So they looking, bro. It's just, don't think it's just the look. So you execute the game plan. How you execute? Go tell me how you execute. I'm talking too much. Don't let me talk all day.
No, this how I'm gonna bring it home. Now I done slid in the DM. I get left on red, I done got left on red. It is what it is. But if the conversation continues for a while, I'm gonna bring it home. And this is how I bring it home. Let's get to know each other. Let's start like this. What's your favorite number between 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 999, 999, 9999? Shout out to overall 99 ENT. And usually that ends up with the number. Okay? Not just to the number we good. Now, I can't say nothing what happened after we get the text and all that, but this is strictly about the DMs. If I can get to the home stretch, which is the phone number, and we get talking like that, start old Snap Street, I think we good.
By the way, this ain't just men, this ladies too. Ladies, be confident.
Yeah.
Yo, if you really like a dude, tell him you like him.
Yeah, right.
Like, I know y'all might see the name at the bottom and slide, but if I'm busy, I'm busy. I'm grinding. I'm trying to make this thing great. but we got some people on Overall 99 that's on Christian Mingle. Can you tell us about Christian Mingle, Unico?
Now I know somebody on our team is on Christian Mingle. I'm gonna tell you who it is.
Who is it?
It's somebody that's on a cold fall, chilly night.
I'll tell about it.
And you just and you got that old crack pot going, but you ain't got nobody to give it to.
Talk to him.
Well, I tell you like this here, cause I hail from the south, and when I just get a quick breath, I just long for some chili. And if you looking for me, hop on ChristianMingle.com. Holla at your boy Bartholomew. Yeah, get me on there. I'm the only one on there, but I got a backup account, Bartholomew81. That's my football number. That lets you know I ran a couple things. So with that being said, hop on Christian Mingle, ladies. I get with you. Our DMs free for me a little bit.
But yeah, man, this. By the way, if you in chat, males, females, if you tell us how you like your DM to be slid in, educate the masses. Don't assume people know what you want. And ladies, tell us how you slide into the DM. Males, tell us how you slide in the DM. Do you like females to slide?
Y'all slide. How y'all slide into it?
Yeah, non-binary, cis, homo. Can I say homo?
Everything.
Hetero.
We want to know how you slide in them, because you believe in what you believe. You do what you do. You do what you feel. If you on any part of the spectrum,
trans, LGBTQA,
something like, all that.
Yeah, man, tell them how you slide in. Let us know. Educate some people, help somebody out. Some people don't have that confidence. Some people got a similar style to you but don't know how to use it. Let them
know how to finesse that.
Yes, man, you gotta be the lighthouse. Be the house on the hill, you know what I mean?
Be the fifth of the Hennessy.
Yeah, I'm giving biblical verses and Unico giving alcoholism. Let's do this. That's what this about.
Hey, you get your confidence how you get your confidence. Now, some look in the mirror and some look at the bottom of that bottle. Do what you do, baby.
Yeah. By the way, thank y'all for being here. This is the first Keep It 99, not the talk show, the regular.
Yeah.
Featuring Unico. We're going to have the whole group on here randomly about different subjects where we talk about 20 to 15, 20 minutes. Sometimes I have guests from outside of Overall 99. But yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to have fun. We're going to have topics. Send your topics in the comments. Slide in our comments, matter of fact. Slide what you want to hear, what you want to talk about in the comments, what you think would be funny. We're going to have a good time with it. It's all about a good time. And remember, tell someone you disagree with you love them. Even in the chat, tell them you love them. Throw their whole day off. Remember to keep stomping, because you never know. Today could be the day something amazing, cat.
Something amazing.
Unico in the last word? Peace.
Fly right past you, been running it up since last year.